Hello everyone, welcome to all in the ATIS YouTube channel. Today I am going to cover an important current affairs topic of environment, that is Bio Input Resource Center. Since this topic is static in nature, you have to just listen me carefully because I have incorporated everything in this PPT by referring all current affairs magazine. Okay, no need to look any other study material. Okay, now look at why in the news. Recently, Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare released guidelines for setting up the Bio-Input Research Center under the National Mission on Natural Farming Scheme. Okay, now means what? BRC is going to be established under the National Mission on Natural Farming Scheme, right? So now look at about National Mission on Natural Farming. What is the aim of the scheme? Basically, the aim of the scheme is to promoting natural farming practice for providing safe and nutritious food for all, right? Now, the type of scheme is centrally sponsored scheme in which center and state share is 90% and 10% for hilly and northeastern state only, and 60 and 40% share for all other states, right? Now, look at the tenure of the scheme. Tenure of the scheme is till 25-26, right? This scheme is come under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, and for this scheme there is a National Steering Committee at national level under the chairpersonship of Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare to steer the mission, right? Now look at the key target of the scheme is first key target is a 15,000 cluster in Gram Panchayat which are willing, right? A second key target is to reach 1 crore farmer and initiate natural farming in 7.5 lakh hectare area. And third is around 2,000 natural farming model demonstration farms shall be established at Krishi Vigyan Kendras, agricultural universities and farmer field, right? And fourth one key target is 30,000 Krishi Sakhis. Here Sakhis stand for like a volunteer, community resource person for easy scaling of natural farming practice and knowledge, right? Now look at about the Bio Input Resource Center. A BRC is a cluster level enterprises where time tested locally prepared inputs formulation utilizing biological entities such as useful for soil health, crop growth, pests or disease management are made available for purchase by farmers in a defined geographical area, right? In simple word we can say that a BRC is a local hub for producing and supplying natural and eco-friendly farming material like biofertilizer, biopesticide to farmer, to promoting sustainable agriculture by reducing chemical use and supporting livelihood, right? In the budget speech 23-24, government had announced setting of the 10,000 BRC under National Mission on Natural Farming, right? Now look at the purpose served by the BRC. First purpose served by the BRC is maintaining and sale of the cultures of the biofertilizer and biopesticide for multiplication and use by farmer, right? Here you have to understand what is the key difference between the biofertilizer and biopesticide and chemical fertilizer, right? Now look at biofertilizer and chemical fertilizer. Nature of the biofertilizer is biological, which is made up of living microbes, and nature of the chemical fertilizer is chemical, that is synthetic in nature. And nutrient release in biofertilizer is slow, gradual, sustained, but nutrient release in chemical fertilizer is fast and immediate. Now look at the soil health condition of biofertilizer and in chemical fertilizer using agricultural field, right? Now soil health improve soil biology and structure in biofertilizer, but in chemical fertilizer, soil health degrades soil over the period of time. Right. Now, look at the sustainability of the biofertilizer and the chemical fertilizer. In biofertilizer, promotes long-term sustainability, but in chemical fertilizer, it lead to dependency and pollution. Right. Now, look at the cost effectiveness of the biofertilizer and the chemical fertilizer. But in biofertilizer, initially its cost higher, and in long run it will become cost effective. But in chemical fertilizer, initially it is cheaper, but in long run it will not become cost effective. Right. That is the difference between the biofertilizer and the chemical fertilizer. And the main motive of the BRC is to use biofertilizer and biopesticide instead of using chemical fertilizer. Right. Now, second purpose served by the BRC is preparation and sale of the ready to use organic input. You know, the main goal of the BRC is to use organic input. Right. And third purpose served by the BRC is training farmer on the preparation of the botanical extract and animal based inputs. And fourth one is the sharing knowledge on nature of farming practice. And fifth one is sale of the pheromone traps, lure, sticky traps, and other. Here the new term pheromones comes. Now look at what is pheromone. A pheromone trap is a tool used by farmer and gardener to catch harmful insects by tricking them with the scent. Right. Now, here, pheromone is a type of scent. Insect naturally release a special chemical to talk each other, like attracting a mate. A pheromone trap uses a man-made version of this scent to lure a specific pest. Basically, in simple word, we can say that a pheromone trap is a pest control device that uses a synthetic scent, that is pheromone, to lure insects into a trap. Right. Now look at the key feature of the guidelines of the BRC. First, financial assistance. There will be 1 lakh rupees for setting up the BRC. Mind it, here assistance doesn't include seats, renting of the premise. Okay. Now, second key feature of the guidelines is the convergence with the other scheme and program which is already exist. Right. Like formation and promotion of the 10,000 farmer producer organization and national mission on edible oilseed which is already exist. Right. Now third one is the preparation of the bio inputs as per the requirement of the local farmer, local land use pattern, soil type, and local crop system. Right. Now fourth one is who can operate BRC. That is a very important point. The BRC is operated only by those who already practice natural farming, farmer producer organization, self-help groups, cooperatives, Krishi Vigyan Kendras, with Gausalas and Gram Panchayat. Okay, that is all about this topic. Okay then, that's all for today. If still there is something, please let me know in the comment section. And for PPT of this lecture, do join Telegram. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.